Oke, everybody.
Oke.
Kroasia masih bisa merajai Spanyol.
Apakah sekarang Yakca tadi masih dah menang dikit.
Cerot.
Oh, santap.
Marota.
Tendangan Embon.
Morata. Cut.
Bisa gitu. Cari. Modric. Good.
Mana?
Oh. Kemana?
Ini sini. Caranya. Oper saja ke depan, saudara-saudara. Umpan lagi. Hei, blok juga. Terus. Mantap coy. Cerot. Embon. Ini baru namanya Spanyol, terdiam, termenung.
Tadi kan
belum lihat gol.
Tadi kan sama.
Asik.
Tadi kan.
Ya, sekarang duluan.
Tadi kan ini
Duluan pakai telur.
Tadi kan ini juga.
Yang penting si Blacky ngegolin.
Kita lihat hasil akhir nanti.
Blacky
Kita lihat hasil akhirnya apakah bisa.
Morata lagi. Hai. Hai. Cerut. Trot.
Hai.
Mantap cok. Mantap cok. Mantap di siaran. Ngebut ya.
Kenapa nggak ngerem? Seret.
Mantap sekali coy. Mantap sekali coy. Bangun. Habis.
Itu namanya penyelamatan. Penyelamatan.
Kesalahan men. Kita tenang ke bawah.
Embon. Embon. Yuk.
Ini dapat.
Yeay. Kan memang taktik dan
Mundur. Serang. Ha.
kemana?
Hai. Good. Aduh.
Aduh.
Itu namanya gol. Namanya apa?
Golo.
Goblok.
Ini mudah sih masuk.
Iyalah, namanya gol. Gol. Gol.
Yuk.
Oke, gol.
Pur.
Serang. Cheers. Wih. Mantap sekali tuh coy. Itu tendangannya moy.
Tapi
Enjoy.
itu udah keren daripada kiper udah keren loh, pakai kepala dia lempar.
Yang penting ada gaya. Morata. Cus. Gus.
Aduh,
Cerot.
aduh sih.
Cerot.
Los. Sial.
Namanya Spanyol.
Hah? Oh.
Morata.
relax dulu. Kita fokus dulu.
Pakai apa?
Fokus.
Pakai apa?
Tamaric.
Pakai telur.
It's Kovacic. Dishes it off.
Aduh di dialnya. Di dialnya
Selesai.
saya. Ada di dia.
Halal.
Trot.
And here's Kovacic. Looking for options for movement.
Sip.
Decision for the referee. Juranovic.
Trot.
Time and again they are repelled.
Tuh. Offside.
Lari, 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 lari.
That is pretty much the end of that. Gets his pass away.
Hup, aduh. Kepalanya. Tidak slot.
Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Ansu Fati.
Blacky kembali, Blacky kembali. Duh, itu, you know. Shh.
Modric. And here's the chance to counter. Petkovic just eases it off the ball.
Oh,
Now it's Kramaric. Still off time. Now who's going to be first to this? He's left his man.
Handball.
Should be
Masih pakai.
cuts out the strike.
Si pakai.
Kovacic. Croatia.
Pakai apa?
Their passes.
Itu namanya kiper siapa? Simon.
Mr. Ferdinand, the measure of the keeper then, but they're wrong person.
Serot. Jordi Alba. Jar.
Lovely feeding is such a good mover. Well, the crowd clearly like that.
Aduh.
Some real
Maju.
nonsense defending. So intercepted.
aduh.
Ansu Fati. Petkovic.
Cerot.
To the right. Oh, that was vital. That's a nice ball. Oh, that's a key interception. Llorente.
Ih,
Kramaric. Budimir.
Aduh. Ya, cuma ngambil bola aja.
Si pakai apa? Keluar.
Kasih. Yang penting udah
Hai.
keluar.
Moved on forwards.
Serot.
Aduh, lawan.
Playing it through. He was clearly disappointed with that pass.
Kok kebung? Ih.
Caranya
Nih.
udah selesai. Serot.
Itu namanya ambisius.
Beautifully read through the defence and the
Aduh.
Interesting ball. You can never be sure of whoever's in the space. As long as the space left behind is goal.
Hei.
Itu caranya untuk landing orang.
Jadi kartu merah.
Nah, sengaja.
Hai. Hai. Ya, gol tetapi
Ansu Fati.
kita masukkan
Ya, babak pertama kedudukan masih pakai telur. Masih pakai telur. Maju Morata.
aduh kok ke sana.
Maju Morata. Cundul dia Morata. Ya, kok ditinggal, boy.
Aku
Kok ditinggal, boy.
nggak jadi. Nggak, pemain pengganti sih. Jadi pakai telur.
Morata maju.
Ya, cerot. Hai. Hai. Kemana? Hup. Hup.
Aduh, canggih sekali loh.
Iya. Paling.
Sangat. Hajar.
Aduh.
Trot.
Hop.
Bagus. Maju, Morata maju. Fati, kok jauh sekali Fati.
Itu namanya belum.
Shh.
Pro. Dap. Mantap. Aduh jauh lah.
Maju. Bagus. Sesio.
Hijau.
Bawa pulang.
Aduh, gas semua. Modric. Kemana? Aha, belum.
Tapi tiangku keluar.
Aduh, jauh sekali umpannya, bro.
Artinya gol.
Ah,
Ya. Kok ditinggal?
kok kamu? Ya. Ya. Caranya menghalangi.
Cerut.
Nol.
Caranya apa? Caranya tuh.
Pum.
Caranya mau cari bola agak. Itu terus percobaan namanya.
Ini kan gantung.
Sekarang kejar,
Modric.
Embon,
Itu loh.
trot, bagus.
And it's played forward.
Kemana?
It's going to be a
Dah.
that one.
Tuh, kok gitu nih?
It's a perfect chance to extend the advantage. He certainly looks appetising now within shooting range.
Iya. 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 Sekarang mau gol nih.
Asensio!
Up.
Aduh.
Eh?
Udah rekam belum? Oke.
Yuk. Bisa yuk. Ayo. Senglap lah nih. Senglap.
Cus.
Bagus.
Kemana?
Hup. Trap.
Embon,
Aduh.
Embon. Main andalan. Pau Torres. Embon.
Kamu.
Yes. Sunul. Bagus. Trot maju. Maju.
Ah.
Bagus. Tenang lagi sekali. Op. Parah.
Enggak.
Cerot. Cerot.
Towards the right wing. Kovacic.
Yes.
Might come loose.
Op.
Croatia really might just end up kicking themselves after that. That could well have been it.
Umpan ke depan.
Tries to dictate.
Bagus sekali. Morata.
He's beaten the offside trap.
Jangan.
Rang.
Six.
Sunul. Shoot.
Tries to get it clear.
Saya.
Big ball that he's hit.
Up. Mantap.
Spain clearly have
Good.
instructed to kill this off. Defence is the best form of defence.
Ada. Tuh. Lelo. Gol.
Iya.
All they need is one big chance. And they'll do the trick.
Maju.
Good.
It's safe to say that they just need to manage this to
Iya.
Break.
It's Modric. He's trying one.
Handball.
Aduh. Deh.
Attempts, just the wrong outcome.
Maju.
Well, that's confidence for you. This doesn't
Sunul.
bother him.
Ah.
Himself a free kick.
Dikit terus ya.
Now Torres. I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Cerot.
Morata is flagged offside. Spain
Oke.
need to overcommit now. Their priority lies more on that.
Aduh.
Mantap.
No unnecessary risks, and the game is petering out here. Gets his pass away.
Mantap, mantap, maju Morata maju. Seret. Mantap. Mantap.
Into stoppage time. That's been intercepted.
Bagus.
So that's it. It is all over.
Oke.